Welcome back to Tool Tuesday. Now, this week we have found a tool called SWOT Analysis Generator. And what it will do, it will help you create a SWOT analysis for your company based on the description that you put in. Many times we need this information for marketing plans, business plans, or to kind of just give us an idea of what our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats are regarding our business. What's great is they have information that kind of breaks it down below here. But what we're going to do, we're going to enter just some information here and just click on Generate SWOT Analysis. Let's see what it comes back with. Okay, so what it comes back with, it kind of breaks it down. This is for a text marketing company. So the strength is here, the weakness is here, that if it's a new company, it may face challenges, accession, dependence on adoption, some opportunities for it. It's saying it's a growing market. And the last thing is the threats. Now, there's a couple things you can do is if you want to remove the pop-up or download the image, you have to unlock the SWOT analysis, and it only costs $2, which is not bad at all. Or some people would just do a screenshot of this information. So I also noticed that this particular software had some other templates. One is a user persona here, where you can also put your information in. Let's see if it comes up with a great user persona for us. And we'll just go ahead and click on that and see what it gives us. So it may be really possible that you have two things more than one. Okay. um, which is interesting. So what it does for the user persona, it will tell us the bio, kind of gives us a face and name of the person, what motivates her, what kind of devices she uses, also her goals, her pains, and her brand affiliation. So you can download this as an image. So right there, you have a really quick user persona there. So it actually has kind of like two things built in one, which is great. So again, this is called SWOTanalysis.dev, and within it, it has other templates. So check it out and tell me how you like it. Until next time.